So hi, I'm Justin and I'm from Beijing. I'm currently a senior at Rumsey.
And I'm Nick Zhang. I'm from Shanghai and I'm 8th grade.
So we are here to present because we want to set up a STEM club. The purpose of setting up this club is to encourage more Rumsey students to be interested in STEM programs with hands-on experience. And with more interest, we can represent Rumsey in several STEM competitions, which will set up the view that Rumsey is a school that's strong in STEM programs. For a brief introduction, this club would focus on engineering, robotic, and programming. This club would be open to all upper school students, and Mrs. Butler would be the teacher for this club. Since we are now having a hybrid schedule, the meetings would be online, and the meeting time would be determined after the club started.
And here are the proposed activities, lectures. We'll teach every class members about STEM from all perspectives. The lectures will be given by experts in different areas. There are four lectures. VX, a robotics competition with most participants. It is also the most recognized robotic competition by universities. Second, CSEF, Connecticut Science and Engineering Fair. It is the regional competition for ISEF, which is an international level for competition. Third, environment. We can also organize lectures on how we can use the power of AI to help protect the environment. This may include predictions using deep learning. Last, USACO. USA Computer Olympiad is a coding competition that has several levels: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Each level has different coding tasks that the participants need to finish. And there are some online courses we will use. These online courses are made only for this group and teach us coding and engineering abilities. VX, a coding class designed for middle school students. If we learn quickly, there are also higher level courses. And on the left side, there are some questions we will figure out in our club later. There are still some competitions we will try to participate in. First, VX, a robotics competition. It requires a group to build a robot that can complete certain tasks. Second, CSEF, a science fair that requires the group to think of a research topic, a problem and a solution. Last, USACO, a coding competition that requires the participant to finish certain tasks.
Okay, so I will pick one of the competitions, which is the CSEF, to specifically talk about the procedures in attending it. So first, the CSEF, the Connecticut Science and Engineering Fair, is a yearly statewide fair open to all middle school and high school students. The winning project would get a chance to participate in the International Science and Engineering Fair, which is a worldwide competition. And the CSEF wants to attract students to be interested in science and engineering and help them to develop skills such as critical thinking. So for the procedure of registration, first the school need to help the students to register. And last year, Mrs. Butler helped me to register my project. And next, the participants need to register their project by themselves, just giving a brief introduction of it. And about like a week or two before the fair actually starts, the participants would submit the project abstract form, which is a detailed explanation of their project. So here is the schedule of the fair if the fair is not virtual. And on the right is what a poster would look like. And normally the students would go to the fair and stand beside the poster to explain the project to judges. For this year, the fair changed to virtual, and we just need to submit this poster for preliminary judging. After the project got approved into finalist, the fair would organize Zoom meetings where the participant would need to explain the project and answer questions. So here are some rewards that I got. So I got third place in the computer science category and fifth place in life science category. So for the future of this competition, Even if we get into high schools, there are also lots of high schools that also compete in the CSEF. Here is a list of them. And for other schools that are not in Connecticut, there are also similar competitions in other states that also lead to the international division, which is the ISEF. So we can start preparing now and participate in the competition in high school. So this is the end of the presentation. Welcome to join our club. We'll definitely have fun. If you are interested, please contact either me or Nick or Mrs. Butler.